Lastly, we had gone through mass and weight. Now we are going to have the conceptual ideas which will differ mass or weight. If an object is moved from Earth to Moon. Now answer, because the mass number of atoms will remain same, so there will be no alteration in the mass. But the weight formula is W is equal to mg, and the whole process depends on the gravitational pull, and we know the gravitational pull the gravity of Earth and Moon differs. Moon 1/6 that of Earth. So if the pulling effect, if the gravitational pull differs, then the weight will change for an object. Even we saw the astronauts, they hop का मतलब है जैसे चिड़िया एक जगह से कूद करके दूसरी जगह जाती है, but occasionally they gets lifted in the air for the particular time interval. But on the Earth we can't do so because the gravitational pull differs. Now further we are going to have the idea matter are of two types according to the modern conceptual views. But earlier matter has been classified as they are made up of 5 important constituents. In Hindi we usually called Agni, Vayu, Jal, Prithvi, etc. So Akash is included in that, but we are not going to concern that of the particular whatever the things earlier had been explained, but we are just moving on to the modern era, and there this matter has been classified into two types. One is the physical properties, other is the chemical properties. Physical changes and chemical changes, we had come across. Physical changes are those changes which rebound itself. अगर किसी चीज़ से अगर हम लोग आगे बढ़े और वापस उसी जगह पर आ जाए तो उसको कहते हैं फिजिकल चेंजेस. लेकिन अगर हम लोग मूव करें और वापस वहाँ पर नहीं आ पाए, they will be regarded as chemical changes. For an example, we know just we are going to have the haircut and again the hair grows. Suppose melting of the wax. So melting of wax, the shape will deform, but again we can arrange it into the similar shape. That is the physical properties. Boiling of the milk. If you boil the milk, the water evaporates. Now we pour certain water to minimize its level. So these are the physical properties. But once we move on to the chemical properties, that chemical changes are those changes which can't be brought back. Suppose our age. Earlier we are 12 years age, 13 years age. Though 13 or 12 can't be rebound as the years pass by. So here suppose a milk changes to curd, that is the chemical changes. But here we have to have the discussion matter, physical properties and chemical properties. Under physical properties, we classify it on the basis such as solid, liquid, gases. Whereas on the basis of chemical properties, it had been classified as elements, compounds and mixture. So matter is clear to us. Now we will just try to get the properties of solid, liquid and gases. So once we have the properties of solid, liquid and gases, we are able to notify ourselves that which will be regarded as solid, which will be regarded as liquid and that of the gases. In higher studies you will find there is further classification of solid also. In class 12th, the chapter name is solid and there solids are of different types. So in liquid fluid mechanics it will be of different types. So just we are the beginners, we will study the main details in higher classes. So here we found just we are going to go through the properties of solid, liquid and gases. Now on the basis of atomic structure we are going to explain what happens when we dissolve a particular solid, why it dissolves, why some of the particles do not dissolve. These are the main concern which is to be discussed later on.